What's up, guys? zmgoblue back at it. I want to talk to you guys today. Email is going to be in the description. Email coaching is available. 160 pounds down with the 75 hard program. If you like this channel, feel free to reach out. Let's see what we can do. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, goal focused. The rest is just noise. Let's examine this shit. Pick a goal. Pick a goal. Everyone's goal is different. Mine was to become a better person, a better physique, better mentality. I'm doing this video. I'm still in my gym clothes. I just left the gym. It is 6:15 a.m. in the morning. Most people are still asleep. 6:15 a.m. Already went to the gym. Did back and biceps today. Okay. Doing my video. I did not want to get up and do that this morning. But I'm here. I'm doing the damn thing. The rest is just noise. Whatever is going to pull you off of your goal, off of your mission, the rest is just noise. That thing, that thought, that little voice that goes off in your head when that alarm goes off at 5 a.m., that is just noise. That is called the bitch voice. Andy Frisella talks about that. He probably describes it better than myself, so go check it out. But that is the bitch voice. The bitch voice is just noise. Those people saying, you can't do that. Why are you so obsessed? What are you trying to accomplish? Why do you work so hard? Etc. All of that shit is just noise. Show them with your results. Show them with your results. Let your results do the talking. Goal focused. The rest is just noise. When you are first starting out down the path towards the goal that you picked and you chose, there will be doubters. There will be haters. There will be times that you want to quit. There will be times that you will wonder if the decision that you made is the correct one. Goal focused. The rest is just noise. And it doesn't matter what is going on, what happens, who said what, who left you, what football team won, what football team lost, what concert's going on. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I'm sacrificing this. Blah, 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 blah. Another thing that will make this process easier is getting around the correct people with the same type of mindset that you are adapting to. The people that you want to be around will support you. They will say, go get it. But the ones that don't say that to you, you keep that shit in the back of your brain, and when you want to quit, you keep going. Goal focused. The rest is just noise. I heard Andy Frisella say this before, and it's very, very true. Build the kind of life that says, I told you so, without having to say a word. I want to repeat that. Build the life that says, I told you so, without having to say a word. Goal focused. Imagine this. For 5 years, you are focused. You put in the work. You go to the gym. You do everything that you are supposed to do. Everything. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time passes. And in those 5 years, you walk into a room. You don't have to say anything. And people just see it. They know. You walk into the room, you won't have to say a word. Nothing. And all that hard work is going to speak for itself. Eventually, it stops becoming a grind and it just becomes what you do. Then they have no room to talk because you've already done the damn thing. Goal focused. The rest is all noise. You can do this shit. Be careful who you hang out around. They will bring you down. Pick a goal, go after it. zmgoblue, email in the description.